Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest tech gadgets. Today, we've got something that's a game changer for all you laptop users out there. The Crucial 32GB DDR5 RAM kit. This kit packs a punch with its blazing speed and massive bandwidth, perfect for the next generation of multi-core CPUs. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech reviews. Let's kick things off with an overview of this impressive kit. Crucial DDR5 memory is engineered to provide the kind of performance that was once only possible with extreme performance memory. This kit includes two 16GB modules, operating at a lightning-fast speed of 5600MHz, with a CAS latency of 46. Now, what sets this RAM kit apart is its compatibility and performance. It's tailor-made for the latest 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. And here's the kicker. It supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo on the same module. That's versatility at its finest. Crucial DDR5 memory can transfer data up to 1.75 times faster and deliver up to 2 times more bandwidth than DDR4. This means you'll experience shorter load times, lightning-fast file transfers, quicker downloads, reduced lag, and improved refresh rates. It's extreme performance right out of the box, and it's noticeable not just in tests but also in real-world conditions. One concern with speedier RAM can be latency, but Crucial DDR5 handles this brilliantly. During testing, its system latency is only up to 3% longer than DDR4, making real-world latency performances virtually the same. With up to 2 times more bandwidth, it even outperforms DDR4. Efficiency matters too, and that's where Crucial DDR5 shines. It introduces on-module voltage regulation with a power management integrated circuit, which used to be on the motherboard with older memory technologies. This leads to improved signaling and cleaner power regulation for the modules. Plus, DDR5 operates at just 1.1 volts, compared to DDR4's 1.2 volts. When it comes to quality and reliability, Crucial has your back. As the consumer brand of Micron, Crucial is known for its trustworthiness, performance, and compatibility. Unlike some other brands, Crucial's unique relationship with Micron involves a deeper level of engineering, ensuring you get the power and performance you can rely on. So there you have it, folks. The Crucial 32GB DDR5 RAM kit, designed to empower your next-generation, multi-core CPU on the go. With its incredible speed, bandwidth, and compatibility, it's a must-have for anyone looking to supercharge their laptop's performance. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.